Hello, dear traders. I am glad to see you here. We'll discuss Euro, Great Britain Pound, and Japanese Yen. Watch my previous videos on YouTube about Brent oil, about copper, about gold. Go through my videos and you'll find many explanations about why I sell and why I buy something. I make those videos for you to understand more about reasons, not to find entry points with the signals. It's too easy. So you're welcome to stay here with me and ask questions. Let's go to talk about euro dollar. Today, on August 5th, I'm still waiting non-farms as a reason for volatility. No matter that this is not something really important for the market. Why I'm thinking like that? Because for last almost 2 years, average numbers are not too different. And any word that says that this is an important trade moment, this is a moment for volatility. And it was like that for many, many years. I am here for 15 years, and since I started to trade Forex, non-farm payrolls were something that was, like a super cool day. This is like a holiday day for Forex trading because you're going to get a huge volatility and you can earn a lot or you may lose a lot those days. So important technical research in this day is something that like you must have. Look, my level of resistance is still around 1.0310. And I do believe that it's okay to wait for price to go up to 10310 above this level of resistance. This means 102.55. So if they break 102.55, you know that price will go up to 103.10. After, euro dollar will break this support, which is 101.90. Under 101.90, you may sell with a target 101.60 and even 101.10. My general idea goes down to 0.96, but I told you that we are waiting for euro to go down due to inflation risk in the world and especially in Eurozone. And you also know that European Central Bank raised the interest rate as an idea to fight this inflation. Also, they're trying to escape from high prices of gas. So those steps, for example, that Eurozone is trying to change the country who is importing gas to them. And those steps, they will prolong euro dollar to stay in a range, but not to fall down to 0.96. This is my general idea for future weeks, and until euro dollar didn't hit 103.10, 103.80, I'm still not selling for full capacity. So I'm not still, like fully sure that you should sell euro right now. No, it's still not like that. Okay, so for today, for euro dollar, you know levels that you may trade intraday on 15-minute chart, on 5-minute chart, on 30-minute chart. It's much easier to trade with those levels. I wish you profits, and now we go to Great Britain pound with American dollar for our chart. I still believe that really important level of support is 121, and after price goes under this support, after we see close price under this area, will be more easy to sell Great Britain pound. I think you all read news about Great Britain that they're in a recession and situation is too bad for this country and all the data is so bad that technically, yes, we still wait Great Britain pound to fall down to 116, and this is my trading idea which I follow, but I still did not get a sell signal. And I am waiting for price to go under 121, so to show me new minimum prices, new extremes, and after that we sell. After that we have a reason to sell. And today, as you could see, by the way, Great Britain, the Bank of England, they also changed the monetary policy, but there is nothing like, to say, oh yes, Great Britain pound will be so strong. No, we do understand that they changed the monetary policy not because of economy being really strong. Economy is being weak, and they're trying to hide from inflation. That's why we see monetary policy changes. So I don't believe that we should buy Great Britain pound today, and I'm still going to wait for a moment to sell. Under 121, we can discuss this opportunity. On 15-minute chart, if you check it, price is being under 200 moving average, under 144 moving average, and it looks like a beautiful moment to sell, but you should put stop loss above 121.80. Above 180. If today you see price jumping up to this area and giving you a rebound, I would say that this is also a beautiful moment for us to sell Great Britain pound intraday. Not for long term, not for short term, but only intraday. And now we go to United States dollar with the Japanese yen, because I do believe that any statistical information from America is a perfect moment for us to trade United States dollar with the Japanese yen. In my previous videos, I told you my technical reason to sell this instrument, to buy this instrument, but yesterday or the day before, I told you, like, stop. I don't know what to do, and I believe that we should just wait. On weekly chart, on daily chart, there is no technical reason to trade. So I'm going to buy United States dollar with the Japanese yen above 135. After they break it, I'm going to be really sure about my idea to buy United States dollar with Japanese yen with the target 138, for example. But they need to break 134.80, 135. On 15-minute chart, it doesn't look like a trend, it doesn't look like a flat situation, it's like nothing. On 30-minute chart, it doesn't look like a flat situation either. So I don't like technically any of these charts, and I believe that United States dollar with Japanese yen has to break a Shimoku cloud on 4-hour chart. It has to break 200 moving average. It has to break this correction line, and only after that, maybe tomorrow, like maybe on Monday, maybe on Tuesday, we will try to work with this instrument. But you know, I like on non-farm payrolls this instrument because they begin, for example, they begin to fall, and they will fall to the end of this day. It's usually like that. You can check it with the history. And today, if United States dollar with the Japanese yen, for example, is trying to go up, I will try to follow this intraday tendency. Maybe it will bring me like 20, 30, 40 pips, maybe 60 pips, I don't know. But I'm going to try to follow this intraday idea that on American big data, American strong news, this currency pair is following the tendency that they started from the beginning after news were published. So after we've seen non-farm payrolls and we do understand that United States dollar with Japanese yen goes down, I'm going to try to sell and wait, for example, until RSI 14 goes down on 30-minute chart, you know. So I'm going to try to find this intraday reason for this instrument because I know what they do on American data. Maybe if they try to go up, I will make this tendency and will be like, okay, I buy on 15-minute chart, I put stop loss under this extremum, and I will follow this long position up to tendency line. And it will bring me from 133 to 134.80, more than 150 pips. So I hope that you understand what I'm talking about, because I do know that those news are a great trading opportunity. If you need more explanations, please watch my videos daily, because from day to day I give explanations why I buy or why I sell something, how I put my targets, why I decided to not to trade today, for example, and what is the technical reason for me to wait some price. I wish you huge profits, a good mood, and please stay with me here. Press thumbs up under this video. Bye bye.